dear students, welcome to our digital school and a very warm welcome to the English class. Let's get started with our today's lesson. The name of our lesson is The Thief. Let's read first. It was a Sunday morning. After breakfast, Manu walked out of his house. He walked across the fields to the river. Can you see? This is Manu. It was a Sunday morning and Manu had his breakfast and he went out of his house. He was walking across the fields of the river towards the river. He was walking. On the river bank, there was a big mango tree. Manu climbed up the tree. He saw a bird's nest. It was at the end of a branch. The branch was high above the tree. Manu saw 2 brown eggs in the nest. This is Manu. So as he was walking from the field towards the bank of the river, he saw a mango tree. He immediately climbed up the tree. He saw a bird's nest there. Can you see this, children? This is the bird's nest. And it was at the end of the branch. And it was very much high above the water. You know what did he saw in that nest? He saw 2 brown eggs. He took the eggs and put them in his pocket. Then he started climbing down. He put his foot on the branch below, but he slipped and fell into the river. You know what he did? He took those eggs and he put it inside his pocket. Then he started climbing down from the tree. He had put his foot on one of the branches, but his leg slipped and he fell into the river. See this poor Manu, he's fallen in the water. But do you think he did a right job by taking the eggs from the nest? No, yes children, you're correct. You should not steal somebody's things, correct? Yes, let's see what happens with Manu now. Now, in the river, there was a big crocodile. It caught Manu's leg. Manu gave a cry of pain. The crocodile pulled him down underwater. No sound came out of Manu's mouth. Can you see this? The crocodile, a very big crocodile, was there inside the river. It caught hold of Manu's legs. See this? Poor Manu started crying in pain, but no sound came out of his mouth. Then the crocodile pulled Manu down and down and down. At last, Manu saw a big palace. An angry king sat on a throne. "You are a thief," said the king. "You stole the poor bird's eggs. I'll punish you." Now, when the crocodile pulled Manu down and down, he reached a place where he saw a big palace and an angry king was sitting on the throne, and he called this Manu a thief because he has stolen the poor bird's eggs, and he said, "I'll punish you for this." What was the punishment? Let's have a look. Manu trembled in fear. He couldn't speak a word. "Oh Croc," said the king, "give this thief 20 lashes on his back with your tail." The crocodile moved forward. It lifted its tail to strike at Manu's back. A sharp cry came out of Manu's mouth. Just then, Manu woke up. It was only a dream. You know what happens? When Manu heard that the king was going to punish him, he started trembling. He just started shivering in fear. He did not utter a word. And the king gave instructions to the crocodile. He said, "Oh Croc, give this thief 20 lashes," means beat him on his back with your tail. and the crocodile slowly moved forward towards Manu to hit him on his back. In that moment, Manu cried out very badly and he woke up. Then he realized it was only a dream. Yes, children, even we should never steal or take anybody's things. This is the lesson we learned from this chapter. So, be careful that you take care of your things and you don't take away anyone's things. I hope you have understood the chapter very well. Children, watch the video once again. Stay home, stay safe and keep studying. Meet you soon with the next video. Bye children.